The eye color template has two eyeballs here that track the position and rotation of each eyeball. And then down here we have an eye color block, and that is being fed into this eyeball shader. So that's controlling all the color information in this texture. If we change these, let's say red. Actually, that looks pretty cool. And if we move down the patch editor, we can see there's some value on this face mesh. And this face mesh here is how the eyeballs are occluded. If we hide this, you can see the whole eyeball there. And so the face mesh is just blocking that, so it only renders what's inside the eye hole. If we turn off the eye hole, obviously that goes away. And then down here we have those three face patches, and from there we can pull out the face and grab an eyeball patch and use the left eyeball center, left eyeball rotation, and then the right center and rotation. And that controls each full eyeball sphere. So the left eyeball center isn't the front of your eye, but it's the middle of your eye. So if you put a sphere in there, it should lock in right where it should. And then grabbing the rotation will make it track around. And that's pretty much it. You can have a lot of fun in the eye color block because you can change the opacity of things, the scale, make stuff real creepy real quick. You can also turn off the iris folds, which are these little lines coming out. So if you want a smoother color, you just toggle that off. And you can also find this in the AR library. If you just search for eye, there's an eyeball shader, and then the eye color. The eyeball shader is what we're seeing in the patch editor up here. And then the actual eye color block is this over here.